Here at Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today, we're going to talk about one of our best-selling floors, the Signature Herringbone range. The Signature range is available in either reclaimed parquet, light oak, or natural oak finishes and features a host of benefits. The king-size boards, along with the click-it fitting system, make installation an absolute breeze. The chevron print also enables you to create that timeless herringbone pattern without the need for individual blocks. Within each pack, you will find a left and a right-sided board. Fit the left board, followed by the right, and then back to the left board, and within no time, the herringbone pattern starts to take shape. The click-it fitting system is so simple to use. Simply engage the boards at an angle, lower, and gently tap into place. The Signature range offers timeless style along with a quick and easy installation. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our stunning floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.